Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah with Sara Plans Life, and today we are planning the first week of July. And I know this is an exciting week for everyone else in the planner community because they're starting their new planners, but I'm still in this one. I've got till December, so regular planner for me still. So this week I'm going to be using a planner cake kit that I actually got in my Misfit bag. I don't think this last time, I think it's from the time before that, but this is kit 30A. And it's cute. It's an older kit, you can tell just because it's got a lot of these check boxes here, and it says my weekend instead of weekend. It doesn't have as many words or as many script stickers, sorry. But yeah, it's cute. So I'm gonna use it. I have a planner cake kit coming on Monday. Or an order, sorry. I have a planner cake order coming on Monday, and that actually has a couple decorative things for here. So this won't be done pretty much by the time I finish my video today. I'm gonna add just a couple things, just the decorative box and a couple other things on it, but it's gonna be mostly done at the end of this video. I'm gonna have everything planned out for the week. All of that stuff's gonna be taken care of. It's just pretty much gonna be my sidebar that's not really going to be done. So I'm gonna be using all of my extra stuff. I cannot believe how many stickers I use in a week. This is crazy, you guys. Oh my gosh, I think I have a problem. All right, so I'm gonna do my outline and the weather, and then I will be right back and we'll get right into planning. All right, there's my layout. Look what happened when I used the washi. See, I went a little overboard with that heart washi, and I tried to pull it up and it ripped my planner. Dang it, guys. What happened? But it's fine. Everything's fine. So I've got all my sidebar stuff coming, so I'm just not going to mess with that until that stuff gets here. So we're gonna pretend that doesn't exist. Okay, so Monday, so I did just a smidge of pre-planning with sticky notes, and then I've got the rest of the planning here on my little notebook. So first thing on Monday, you guys are going to laugh at me and think I'm such a nerd, but there is this YouTube channel. The creator's name is Bailey Sarian. Let's see, this is not gonna be big enough, that's okay. And every Monday, she posts these videos called Murder, Mystery, and Makeup. I know. And I just love it. She pretty much goes through and does her whole makeup, like a really good makeup look, like lots of makeup. Not something I would actually wear on a daily kind of thing. And she does her whole makeup look, and she talks about true crime. So she tells a true crime story, and it's fascinating as heck. She's a great storyteller, so definitely recommend her. I'll try and put like a link to her channel or something in my description. She doesn't know who I am, but I'm doing that because I just love watching her stuff. Okay, started writing it on that other sticker and it didn't work, so put a new sticker there, and I'm not going to do any of my writing until the end because, again, I cannot talk and write at the same time. It's too tough. And my kids are being super loud in the background, so yeah, sorry. Okay, so we are going to upload my plan with me on Monday. Try and get that thing out first thing. And then I know it's supposed to storm, but in Texas, the weather changes so rapidly that who knows what's gonna happen. So we're gonna try and actually go to Hawaiian Falls on Monday, but we'll see if that actually happens. But yeah, so my brother's gonna be in town, so I thought it'd be fun to go with him to Hawaiian Falls. Okay, so that's done. Then we've got Taekwondo on Tuesday. Scotty had his belt test today. And let's use one of these ones. He had his belt test today and he did well. I didn't get to go. My husband took him because, you know, they only wanted one parent in there at a time, and, you know, it's just safer if the fewer people go, the better. So, you know, we asked our son who he wanted to go, and of course he picked Daddy, which is fine. But like part of me is like, dang it, come on, I take you to every single Taekwondo practice. I'm the one who drives you. I want to go. But he loves his dad, and his dad has been at every belt test, and he's done every single board break with him. So, you know, I think it's fine. I think it's something that's really great that the two of them do. So, no big deal. Ooh, I forgot something on this day. I have a Planner Kate delivery coming. I'm so excited. Okay, this one I am going to write in so I don't forget what it is. Whoa, dang it. Okay, well, there's that. Okay, so yes, I got my Planner Kate order coming. I actually have another sticker order coming today. It's Saturday, you guys. I'm filming on the correct day. I have another order coming today from Cricut Paper Co. So next week I am going to be filming, I'm going to be filming a haul video that's just kind of the last like 5 or 6 sticker orders that I've placed, because I've placed a lot of orders. So the kids have swim this day. I was somehow able to get them to have swimming classes at the same time. I'm so stoked, you guys. Ooh, that's crooked. Okay. Here we go. So yes, they have swimming class at the same time on Wednesday and on Friday. Like, oh, it was meant to be. Okay, so yes, I'm gonna film my sticker haul here. They have swim. And then Thursday, Scotty has Taekwondo, of course. But this Taekwondo, back to that story, he is having his belt ceremony. So he's gonna get his new belt. He's an orange belt now. I'm so proud of him. So awesome. Oops, I picked 2 blue ones. Oh well. So yes, so he's got his belt ceremony that day, and then, you know, back to regular Taekwondo these days. He doesn't, well, I don't think he has Taekwondo on Saturday, since that's the 4th of July. So I'm just going to leave that day blank. My city is doing like a 4th of July celebration thing that we are obviously not going to, because it's a horrible time right now to be in a giant crowd of people. So ridiculous that my city's still putting that on. I don't think it'd be a big deal if they were like, hey, come park your cars. We're still doing the fireworks show. You just come and you stay in your car and you watch the fireworks from your car. It might be what we do this year. Might not. We also have a fireworks stand that's literally right outside of our neighborhood, and a lot of our neighbors buy fireworks, so we will probably just sit in our driveway and watch our neighbors shoot off fireworks. Let's see, so then they have swim at 3:30 here. And then Hamilton's on Disney Plus that day. That deserves a big sticker, because I'm so excited for that. I've never seen Hamilton, you guys. Can you believe it? I mean, I guess you probably can believe it, because it's super expensive to go to a Broadway show right now. And it's not just, it wasn't just expensive just to buy tickets. We also have to pay for childcare too. So, I mean, you're talking, you know, $300 for a night out for my husband and I. And as, you know, fun as that would be, $300 is a lot of dollars. So that's not happening. Okay, let's see. Do I want to put, I think I'll put, I mean, it says up here Independence Day, but I'm going to put a sticker here that says, you know, 4th of July. Just so we don't forget what day it is. Okay. And then, let's see. So Saturday I'm also going to film. Going to film my plan with me. Let's go for 2 weeks in a row doing it at the same time. And then I've got family Zoom for church. I haven't attended the last few weeks, so we'll see how that goes. And then I'm not sure if the grocery store will still be doing grocery pickup. I'm assuming they will be. So I'm going to do my grocery run. You know, we'll do that in the afternoon. Yes. So we're going gotta do groceries this day, and then I'm going to treat myself Friday night, maybe do a face mask or something. I think that's really important. I have had to stop doing my nails because they are just beat up, you guys. Like, if I do my nails constantly every week, they just get so brittle. And even if it's just putting nail polish on, like, I'm not doing anything, you know, I'm not doing anything crazy. I'm not doing gel nails or anything like that, but yes, so we're gonna do self-care there, and then like trying to organize myself here. Okay, I think that's it. Oh, trash. Y'all, trash day. We almost forgot this week. Even with me putting it in my planner here and then putting it up here, gosh, when we took it out this week, I like get outside, I'm in my jammies, I'm just a hot mess. And I pull the trash can down and the trash man is like 2 doors away. Like, I'm like, oh, made it. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that was close. And that's it, you guys. I don't have very much going on this week. My brother is coming into town. He'll be here tomorrow. And yeah, we're just gonna hang out. We're gonna go to Hawaiian Falls. You know, I mean, it's just, yeah, that's it. Okay, so let me write all this stuff in, and then I'll show you guys last week's plan. Okay, so this is it. I have everything written in. I had forgotten to put payday down, so I put that down. And then I added a nice little quote here on 4th of July. History began on July 4th, 1776. Everything that happened before that was a mistake. Ron Swanson. He's my spirit animal. Okay, so let's add some doodle girls and then we will be all done. I am going to add this girl. It's hard. I feel like I want to be able to ask if she can do planner girl sheets that just have this, blurry, that just have this tiny size, because I really only like to use the little ones. Because the big ones they are big, y'all. Like, oof. I want to at least have the option. Like, okay. Like, I just want to be able to say, you know what? This time I just want babies. Just little ones. Because they're so cute. Okay. And then I'll be excited about Monday. Murder, mystery, and makeup. Yay! Yeah, so I'll put her YouTube channel down below because I just think she's hilarious. Okay, and that is it, I think. Like, I just don't have very much. I don't have very much going on this week. It's kind of a boring week. I'm tired, y'all. My gosh, parenting is hard, as I'm sure many of you know. But I thought I'd reiterate that yes, parenting is hard. So I did my monthly plan with me. I will put that in a card up here to link you guys to that. It's just very bare. It's very bare bones. It was a super chatty video though. And then, yeah, so here's this current week. We did pretty good this week. I didn't really add anything except for this. Yeah, see, I never put to-dos down, you guys. Like, I do some weeks, you know, but, like, I just don't put to-dos down very often. It's kind of sad. But yeah, so here we go. First week in June. I'm really happy for everyone who's starting their planners in July. I don't know how I would switch to an academic year planner, because I just kind of have this thing where I have to use a whole planner. Like, I thought it was really funny that Sam from Happily a Housewife posted a video that's like a walkthrough of her planner, and she's like, this is the first year I've ever gone through an entire planner. And I'm just like, oh Lord, I've never had a year where I didn't finish out a planner. Like, it would give me such heebie-jeebies to not go through a whole planner. Like, I don't mind not using the same sticker brand through the whole planner. I really don't mind. I just, oh man, if I didn't finish this out, like it would just feel incomplete to me. And I really like having one book to look through for a whole year. So even though like I'm kind of out of the norm with like buying new things and buying a new planner because everyone does it academic year, like I just really like seeing one January through December year in a planner, and I can see like, okay, this is what I did in the dumpster fire year that was 2020, you know, or whatever. Like I just like being able to kind of see it all in one year. But who knows, maybe I'll switch and go the other way, but as of right now, that's not gonna happen. So I hope you guys will stick with me on this and stick with me still using this planner, and then next year is going to be a whole new adventure. Who knows what's going to happen, like what kind of planner I'm going to use next year. So I'm excited to finish out this year. This is going to kill me, y'all. Okay, we're just going to rip it off. Eee! Ugh, gosh, dang it. Anyway, I'm putting a sticker over that, so it'll be fine. But yeah, I'm excited to try something new next year, but you know, I'm really just excited to keep going with this year. I love this hourly layout. I love how the Planner Kate stickers look in here. I love how my Cricut Paper Co. stickers look in here, and yeah, we're just gonna keep seeing how this goes. So let me know what you guys think of this week. It was just kind of a boring week, so not too much to say. Still nothing going on with the surrogacy. We're still waiting for contracts to happen, but I'll keep you all posted. And once I get my side of the contract, I think I'll make a video just kind of talking about what is typically in a contract. I won't be able to give you guys details, obviously, because, you know, I need to keep my privacy and the parents' privacy as well. But I will be able to say, you know, kind of generalizations of what's in the contract. And yeah, so that'll be a fun video, so look out for that. So just make sure you subscribe to my channel. I try to post videos at least once a week. I try to post my Plan With Me's on Mondays. And then if I have time or if I have something fun going on, I like to put out a bonus video as well during the week. So keep your eyes peeled for that, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.